here you can see now this drying finish is going to be unloading. So we see it's loaded, as you can see, it's loaded from front and unload from the back side. So while unloading time, this back door will be open and it will open the fabric automatically. This is a temperature sensor for moisture and heat catching. So in case of overheat. Okay. Let's see which one open. So automatically the gate is open and you can see linear jobs. Okay. Wow. Okay. So they are going down, drop down. We go through the back. Here, why stop? Because our machine busy. That's why they are stopped. Okay, waiting for dryer. Okay, so it drop from here and it goes to the metal system. Now, also the gate is already closed, and as we can see, also another dryer going to release the power. I think which one? Let's see. Oh, maybe not at time. So this one is free. So fabric is coming. Yeah, now don't have. Okay. Every system works. Okay. Now it's going loading the again the next cake into this dryer.